Hi guys, here we've got REALME C30, and let me show you how to change keyboard language of this device. So at first you have to open new message or any other area where you can input some text. So this is our current language. To change it, click on settings, tap on languages, tap on add keyboard, and now you can pick one from the following languages. As you can see, the list is super long, so you'll definitely find something suitable. And let me pick, for example, Hebrew, tap on done. Remove unnecessary language, go back, and as you can see, here is our keyboard language. So this is it, how we can change keyboard language. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.